Page 337, section 5.2. This section is going to factor in the trinomial. So let me give you an example first. If we have x squared plus 5x plus 6, so if you know how to do it, your answer actually will be x plus 2, then x plus 3, then that's your answer. If you don't know how to do this, there are 4 different types of equations you need to follow. Let me show you the first one. If you have number with x squared plus number with x plus a number, for this we're going to use a formula with plus and plus. Equation number 2, if a number x squared minus a number x and plus a number, then this we're going to use minus and minus. Equation number 3, you have number with x squared plus a number x minus a number. Equation number 4, number with x squared minus a number of x minus a number. For this, these two, they share the same formula, will be a plus and minus. Okay, so these two right here, these two, they're using the same formula. How do you know which equation to use? Okay, which formulas to use? The middle sign of each equation tell you which one you're going to use. So if you see, you will have plus and plus, so we're going to use plus and plus. Minus and plus, we're going to use minus, minus. Here we have plus, minus, or minus and minus, we're going to use plus and minus. Okay, now, let's go back to equation number 1. Over here, you see, in the parentheses, both are plus sign, same sign, okay, you're going to add. Here you see, you have minus and minus, so you're going to add. Different sign, okay, so here you have different sign. You are going to subtract. Okay, so let's go back to this one right here. Let's go back to this equation right here. So first, after you look at the equation, you have to see which formula you're going to use. Since you see the middle sign is what? Plus and plus. So we're going to use equation number 1. So we're going to do 2 parentheses, put a plus and plus inside. After that, we're going to draw a big X. I call this the X factor. I'm going to take my first number, okay, right here, and my last number. If you don't see any number, that's a 1. Okay, so it'll be 1 times 6 equal to 6. So after that, I'm going to take my middle number. Okay, middle number is this one, plus 5. I'm going to put it down here. Okay, the next, I'm going to put 6 on the side. I'm going to find out which 2 numbers multiply give me 6. So I'm going to start with 1. So 1 times 6 equal to 6. 2 times 3 equal to 6. 3 times 2 equal to 6. 2 times 3 and 3 times 2, they're actually the same. So once they repeat, we stop. So we're going to stop at 2 times 3. After you find out all the factor, you're going to check. Inside the parentheses is plus, plus, and plus. Which 2 pair of number you're adding together give you the middle number? So we're going to choose 2 and 3 because plus 2 plus 3 give me a plus 5. So here I'm going to put 2 here, 3 here. My variable is what? X. So I'm going to put X and X. Okay, now let's start with this. Let's look at number 20. Number 20 here, we have Z squared plus 2Z minus 24. So this, because the middle sign is plus and minus, so we're going to use the formula for plus and minus, equation number 4. Okay, formula number 3, okay, or the equation number 4. So he's going to draw a big X. We're going to take my first number, again, first number is number in front of x squared and the last number. For this part, okay, we do not care about the sign, okay, we only use the number, so we're not using the negative 24, we're only using 24. So equal to 24. After that, I'm going to take the plus 2, put it down here. So that's remind me I'm going to get a plus 2. So let's take 24 on the side. Let's find out which 2 numbers multiply give me 24. So it'll be 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6. 5 is no good. 5 cannot go into 24. Next will be 6, 4. 4, 6, and 6, 4. They are repeats. So we're going to start by 4, 6. Then after you find out all the number, you have to check which pair of 2 number that plus, subtract, and minus, subtract the 2 number, give you the middle number plus 2. So here I'm going to take 4 and 6. Now you have to decide which one be plus, which one be minus. You see, plus 6 and minus 4, it gave me what? A plus 2. Then after that, you find out the 2 number. All you need to do just do matching. So negative 4, negative go here. So negative 4, positive 6, so 6 go here. My variable is z. So I'm going to put down z and z. Okay, now let's look at number 22. Number 22, we have k squared minus 11k plus 30. So here we're going to use equation number 2. So the formula will be a minus and minus. After that, take big X. Going to take my first number, multiply my last number, equal to 30. Then after that, I'm going to take my middle number. This time we do care about the sign, okay? It's negative 11, so I'm going to put a negative 11 down here. Now, I'm going to take 30 on the side to find out which 2 number multiply give me 30. So it'll be 1, 30, 2, 15, 3 times 10 equal to 30. 4 is no good. 5, 6. Okay, after that will be 6, 5. So going to start by 5, 6. After you find out the 2 factor, okay, find out all the factor, you look inside the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we have what? Minus and minus. Same sign. That tell you what? You have to add. So which number adding together give me a 11? So I'm going to take 5 and 6 because negative 5, negative 6 give me adding together give me a negative 11. So I'm going to put 5 here, 6 here. My variable is k, so I'm going to put k and k. So that's the answer. Now, let's look at number 28. Number 28, here we have k squared minus 11hk plus 28h squared. Now for this, we're going to use equation number 2. So we're going to use minus and minus. Okay, now let's draw my big X. So I'm going to take my first number, which is 1. You don't see any number, that's 1. Then multiply my last number, 28. So equal to 28. So again, the first number is over here is in front of the k. So you don't see that's a 1. Then this is my last number, 28. So you multiply the 2 numbers together. After that, I'm going to take my middle number. So here's my middle number, negative 11. I'm going to put down here negative 11. Then next, I'm going to take the 28 to the side. I'm going to find out which 2 numbers multiply give me 28. Will be 1 times 28, 2, 14, 3 is no good, 4, no good, 5. How about 5? Which number? 4 and 7, right? 3 and 4, 4 and 7. 4, 7 give you 28. 5 is no good, 6 no good, right? Then 7, 4. Okay, so we're going to start by 4 and 7. After that, you look inside the parenthesis. Parenthesis both are negative. So same sign, you're going to add. Which 2 numbers adding together equal to the middle number, negative 11. So we're going to take 4 and 7. So it'll be a 4, 7. Both are negative, so it'll be negative 4, negative 7. Give me what? A negative 11. So here I only need to put a number in here. 4 here, 7 here. My first variable is k. So I'm going to put k here. K here. My second variable is h. So I'm going to put h and h. Then that is my answer. Now, let's look at number 34. Number 34. Here we have 8k squared plus 34k. Then after that, plus 35. Okay, so step 1, you have to decide which formula you're going to use. So this, we're going to use equation number 1, be a plus and plus. After that, we're going to draw a big X. We're going to take my first number, multiply my last number. So that gave me 280. Okay, after that, I'm going to bring down my middle number down here. So I'm looking for plus 34. Now, let's put 280 on the side, 280 on the side. Okay, so here, I'm going to find out which two number. Since the number is too big, I'm not going to start with 1. I'm going to start with something in the middle. I'm going to use 10. 10 times 20. So this, since because over here, okay, because over here, you see, here's plus and plus. Let me tell you as well, we need to add. So this is give me what? If you're adding this give me 28. But we are looking for what? 34. Okay, now you have to decide which way should we go? Should we go up or should we go down? Let's pick a number on top. 9 cannot go into 280. 9 cannot go into 280. Okay, then let's use 8. Then 8 times 35. Okay, give me 280. But since we are adding the two numbers, see, this one gave me 43. But we're still looking for what? 34. That tell me what? I go in the wrong way. So I should go down. Okay, let's check. Can 11 go in there? 11 cannot. 12 cannot go in there. 13 cannot go in there. Then 14. 14 times 20 give me 280. Now let's try. 14 plus 20 give me 34. Bingo. This is the one we are looking for. So we're going to take 14. Okay, we're going to take 14 and 20. Plus together give me 34. So we're going to put plus 14 plus 20. But, okay, this time will be a little bit different. Okay, you can see here, this time we have leading number. Okay, anything besides 1. Okay, before you don't have any number. Anything besides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 14, doesn't matter what kind of number. If you when you have a leading number, the two number you find out, you need to divide by that number. So we're going to divide it by 8. Okay, so we're going to divide it by 8. For fraction, if you can reduce, you must reduce. Over here, we can reduce by 2, so it'll be plus 7 over 4. The next one we can reduce by 4, so it'll be plus 5 over 2. Then after that, let's put in there. Okay, 7, okay, is behind the plus, so put 7 here behind the plus. Denominator will be the first number inside the parenthesis. Okay, plus 5 is behind the plus, so put 5 behind the plus. Denominator 2 is the first number inside the parenthesis. Now, my variable is k, so I'm going to put k here. Then that's my answer.